So it's December 24 and we're getting ready because we're going to Langkawi for Christmas. Since it's the day before Christmas, we didn't want to take any chances with the holiday rush. So we played it safe and got to the airport 2 hours early. But surprisingly, everything was so chill. Yes, there were a lot of travelers just like us. It was busy, but not chaotic at all. We flew via AirAsia, and when flying with them, we always avail the Fast Pass so we can upgrade our cabin luggage to 14 kilogram maximum because we don't want to check in our luggage now. And in choosing seats naman, we always choose the back of the plane, the seats on the last row. I don't usually choose the window seat, but since it's just a short flight, might as well take a chance and take some videos.
So just keep kissing me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. For now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. I feel it when it comes. Every year helping us carry on. Fill up with so much love. All the family and friends are together where we all belong.
But your seat please remain seated. Be careful when opening the away compartments and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings with you before leaving this aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to seeing you soon. On behalf of Asia, Captain Tiru, Senior First Officer Irvin, and the rest of the crew members would like to say thank you for flying with us.
So kiss me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. But for now,
Langkawi. And that's our plane. Diba ang init-init, pero ang mga outfitan namin para kami pupunta sa malamig na lugar.
then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas. The fight is raging on, and we'll all sing along to the song. Just having so much fun while we're here. Can we all spare a thought for the ones who have gone? Merry Christmas, everyone.
Nakasakay na kami ng Grab. And tingnan nyo yung nabook namin. This is only 20 ringgit. Isang buong high-ace band. What's happening lang, Kawi? Tapos kami lang dalawa. Siyempre, kami lang naman. Amazing.
Ones who have gone. Merry Christmas, everyone. So just keep kissing me under the mistletoe. Pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow. I know there's been pain this year, but it's time to let it go. Next year you never know. For now, Merry Christmas. We'll dance in the kitchen while embers glow. We've both known love, but this love we got is the best of all. I wish you could see it through my eyes, then you would know. My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas.
than our hotel. It's our hotel. It's the building.
It's Christmas time for you and I. We'll have a good night and a Merry Christmas. It's Christmas time for you and I. We'll have a good night and a Merry Christmas. It's Christmas time for you and I. We'll have a good night and a Merry Christmas. It's Christmas time for you and I. We'll have a
So, we successfully checked in already here in our accommodation. So, just a quick room tour. Ayan, so upon entering, you'll see this area where you can leave your luggage. Ganyan. Lawak siya actually. And then there's a full-length mirror here. And then wardrobe area. They also have the typical, the usual safe, and then mini fridge and heater and all of those things. And this is their bathroom. It's also quite spacious. Yes, there's a bidet. Hindi pwedeng walang bidet. And then shower, may heater naman. And then the sink is outside. Ayan. And then ito na, I kinda forgot this, na 2 single beds pala yung nabook ko. So, maghihiwalay tayo ng higaan. And then, our view is the street view. Ayan siya. So, there's also TV, then mga lagayan ng gamit. So, yan. Okay, ready for Christmas dinner. Insect repellent and deodorant. Sa atin.
Okay.
Okay, and then insect repellent.
Okay.
We're supposed to go na to the restaurant kung saan kami magki-Christmas dinner, but kailangan muna namin dumaan dito sa Maha Tower because the sunset is so gorgeous. Gorgeous! Yan. Ang ganda niya. Kailangan muna naming makita siya. Baka lumubog na kasi siya mamaya. And looking at the weather forecast, the following days, it's not gonna be that sunny na. It's not gonna be that clear, so might as well take the chance na habang maganda pa siya, puntahan na namin para makita namin siya. Look at that sunset, so golden. Pa-OA na tayo ng pa-OA, pero ang ganda talaga niya. Parang hindi nakaka-capture ng camera yung ganda niya na nakikita ko ngayon sa aking mga mata. Gosh. So iniwan ko na yung asawa ko, hindi ko na alam nasaan siya. Nandun ata, nag-video din. Kasi 'di ba? Baka lumubog na yung araw, hindi ko na siya makita, 'di ba? Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh. Hoy, grabe naman 'yan. Thank you, Lord, for a good weather today. Thank you, Lord. So for the OA naman ng person, ganyan talaga. So we decided to leave na, and yun na, lalakarin na namin papunta dun sa restaurant. It's about how many kilometers? Parang mga rin siya, 20 to 25 minutes walk going there.
Yeah.
Ilang-
1.9.
1.9 kilometers. But still, look at that sunset. Look at that sunset! Tama na, Day. And so, love. First impression so far sa Langkawi.
Tahimik pa so far. Hindi
So,
magulo.
True. Malinis, right?
Yeah, malinis. Ano pa?
Or wala pa kasi tayo dun sa, let's
Yeah.
say, Pantay Chenang. Doon, very touristy doon, for sure. Pero
Yeah.
the Kuwa town is quite, chill lang, ganun.
May mga turista pero hindi pa ganun kadami. Hindi magulo yung daan, hindi traffic.
Yeah, actually. Hindi tayo na traffic, di ba? Kanina.
Oo.
It's nice. Ito na kinaya yung init. Pawis na ako. Ging hubadera na tayo dito. So we're now here sa restaurant. Hindi ito originally yung kakainan dapat namin. Pero marami kasing saradong restaurant. Maybe because holiday or I don't know. Or kasi umaga lang sila bukas. So dito na lang kami sa Thai restaurant. Masarap naman yung pagkain, right?
Let's see.
Food is already here. We have pork, rice, chicken, and fish. Let's eat. The soup's good.
Well,
Ito, not Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sarap ng fish. Parang good choice na rin naman ang dito tayo. No? And so we're finally done eating at the Thai restaurant. Naubos namin yung fish and the rice pero may natirang chicken and pork for takeout. Midnight snack ni Miko later. As usual, lakad pa uwi pa din. Kasi naglakad lang naman kami papunta dito. Which is, mga ilang minutes din yun? 25 to 30 minutes.
hindi naman 30. 20 plus.
20 plus minutes. So, pampababa na rin ang kinain. So, we're just gonna walk back to our accommodation. So, we went inside the mini mart. So, para bumili ng kung anik-anik. Kung anong pwedeng kainin pa. May nagustuhan ka na? Oh, ba? Gusto mo mag-beer? There's beer.
Ikaw ba? Ayaw.
No, I will not drink. Currently 9:20 p.m. and we're walking back to our accommodation. And safe maglakad na lang. It's
Yeah.
pretty safe. Well lighted naman siya. So
There's a
Yeah.
walkway.
may walkway. Hindi ka makikipagpatentero sa mga sasakyan. And it's not that busy anymore. 9:28 p.m. Kuwa OKM Langkawi. That's good.
0 km.
Kuwa OKM pa mo. 0 km pala. Ay, ano na. So, our hotel is just straight doon. Tapos dyan yung Maha Tower. Punta kami ulit sa Maha Tower. Maha Tower. Check. Tapos may bazaar siya dito sa other side. Parang perya. Baba tayo doon?
Dito?
Yeah. Sa perya. So windy! Ooh. Parang may mga food din doon, oh. Sa bandang dulo doon.
Tugtog. Gusto mo sumakay?
No? How about you? And it's already 10 p.m. and we're ready to go home na din. Malapit lang yung accommodation namin here. So, that's it for day 1 in Langkawi.